Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we're going to be doing a bit of texture and a bit of painting. So right now we're just marking out for a mortise. And now for a foot. Alright, we've got the camera into position and the lathe turned on. And now we're going to turn the boulder shape. So the first tool we are using is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Just getting them sides flat to start off with, and now we're going to go around the bottom and we're going to make the top join up with the foot with a nice curve.
Being in love, felt that kind of love, girl, I really doubt it. Another one you're thinking of, you just shake it up when we talk about it. Just one more time, I cannot fight this feeling. Put your lips to mine, all that I
There you go, just getting ready to take the last few passes. And there you go. Giving a quick check over, and now we're going to make the mortise. So the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size detailer. Now we switch to the rougher to flatten everything off and hog it all out. And back to the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chuck. There we go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're going to sand up to 240 grit. There you go. And give it a clean with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean out that grain. And now we're going to add some colour. This is the Flame Intrinsic range. Yeah, we're going to turn the lathe up a bit fast now, and we're going to dry it off with a bit of friction. There you go. Here's some sanding sealer. And now some gold embellishing wax. Wipe this all over. Make sure we get nice even coverage. Go start off with the lathe fairly slow. So make sure you get nice even coverage, and then you're going to turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. Obviously be careful not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any of the wax that you just put on. You want to leave some inside of the grain. And there you go. Alright, so we've got it flipped round in the chuck now, so the first things first is to flatten that top off. And we're going to use the rougher for that. Beautiful cut. Right the way to the middle. There we go.
I think we'll be able to find ourselves again. Blank expressions, empty words.
Alright, we've got the Dremel 8260 here with the wood cutting wheel in it, and we're going to make some lines around the outside. There you go, just being as random as possible. Random's good, we like random. There we go, and now we've got the buffing wheel in there, and we're just going to take off any fuzzies that are left behind. Alright, we've got that done now, so we're going to just spray some Ebonising Lacquer over the top. Alright, now that's been dried. Now we're going to paint some gold from Sonja's all into them lines that we've just made. There you go. Alright, now that's dried, we can go and hollow it out. So the first tool we're going to use is the #1 hollower. All tools, cutters and even the lathe will be linked down in the description if anybody's interested. Here's the mid-size finisher. Just take out any lumps and bumps. And the detailer to add, well, details. And there we go. Alright, on to doing some more sanding. There we go. Bit of compressed air, get rid of some of that sawdust. And some sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Just going to wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. And there you go. And here is some finishing wax. He's going to wipe this all over, let the solvents evaporate, and turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. Be careful not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. Let me know down in the comments if this is a technique that you would try or even consider trying. So with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, share your friends, share your family, share your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.